Hey everyone, welcome back to Pooky Codes, and I know it's been a very long time since I posted, but now it's summer vacation so I can start posting more videos. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial about how you can get started on using Google Colab, which is a super great resource for machine learning as well as deep learning. So let's get started. So I'm just going to open the browser and we're going to go on Google Colab. So search for Google Colab and then we'll just have to sign up. So first sign in, okay, and blah blah, Pooky the cookie, my password, my right password. And now we're in Google Colab and we can make a new notebook. So what is a notebook? A notebook is just a file which contains all the code you'll want to run. So I'll write a new notebook and I'll say, here I'll just name it Intro to Colab. So how does Google Collaboratory works? You can just, it's basically Python with text, or more precisely, Markdown. Markdown is a way of writing text, but you can add a lot of fancy stuff like bold, italics, tables, as well as headings, which makes really stunning presentations. So look at these awesome presentations. I can convert this cell to a markdown cell by doing, if I recall, plus text. Okay. And now here I can just say hello, and to put my name in bold, I'll say my name is James. And as you can see, I see the live feedback on the right side. So hello, my name is James, and then I can continue making a text cell by going here, text, and say I'll do a header. So you put one hashtag for for a big header, 2 hashes for a big header but smaller than the first one, and 3 for the same thing but smaller than the second one. So I'll do the first one and I'll say Intro to Colab. And here I'll say, today we'll learn about Google Colab and all of its beautiful perks. So shift enter, you'll run it, and now you see this. If you see that the background is black and like it's the whole line, you know that this is a code cell. So you can run Python code. And Python, in case you don't know, is a programming language that's really useful for machine learning and deep learning, and it's personally my favorite one for machine learning. It's kind of like English, so I can say 1 plus 1 and I'll get 2 as an answer, hopefully when it connects. So now I get 2. And you can do, for example, for loops. So for what? For I in range 5. This is just saying I'm going to go over 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm print I. Now you'll see I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is pretty much all there is about Google Colab. You can have markdown cells where you can write stuff, and you have code cells where you can, well, code. And the fun part about it is that you can share it so other people can see how you wrote your code, as well as the explanations here. So instead of just having comments nested everywhere, you'll have beautiful headings, beautiful bolded text, as well as hyperlinks. One important thing to note about Google Colab is that most of the time, if you're doing intensive computing like deep learning, you'll have to go on notebook settings here, and you would like to do GPU. And then you can do save, and you wait a bit, and you wait until this thing becomes green. So now if I run everything again, you see everything works fine. But one thing that's different is that if you do exclamation mark and you do NVIDIA-SMI, this is going to show the information about your graphics card, your GPU, which is really used in deep learning. And as you can see, I do have a GPU, a Tesla T4, something like that. And having a GPU makes your computing go like so much more faster and makes the whole deep learning journey really great. So a quick way to confirm this is you can go and say NVIDIA-SMI, or you can use PyTorch, import torch, and you can do torch.cuda.is available. And if it says true, as you can see, it means that CUDA is available, and CUDA is just something that NVIDIA made to make sure that it can do deep learning with their graphics card. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know about Google Colab. You create your own notebook, you have markdown cells. Don't forget to switch to the GPU. There's also the TPU, but from my experiences, I haven't been able to get better performance using the TPU rather than the GPU, even though the TPU, the Tensor Processing Unit, is especially made for machine learning. It didn't give me any noticeable performance gains. So that's all there is about Google Colab. Thanks for watching. If you like this, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time in another video.